it's Gina with WTI. And if you live in the modern world and have any kind of rechargeable device, then you know how annoying it is to have to find not just the right cord, but also a base to go with it. And then you have to wait around forever while it charges. Well, I have found a solution that has been so amazing, and that's this charging station from Multixel. So this thing is so fast. I was incredibly impressed. Even when we were charging multiple devices on it, I couldn't believe how quickly everything got up to 100%. Especially this power bank that we have, usually it will take up to 36 hours to charge. And with this Multixel charging station, it charged in 12 hours. Like, that is incredible. The company is so kind, and they send 2 USB-C to USB-C charging cables and a USB-C to lightning cable. I love that I can just leave my cables plugged in, and then they're right there for my devices whenever they need a charge. At first, I wasn't sure if this was something that we even needed, but now I know we cannot live without it. I think that you'll feel the same, and that's my point of view.